PI's consensus algorithm adopted. Ayan guys PI's consensus algorithm is adopted from the Stellar Consensus Protocol SCP. Welcome back for another PI news update. Okay. Now yung pag-uusapan natin today is very interesting. Pag-uusapan natin yung relationship or yung kaugnayan ng PI network with the Stellar Consensus Protocol. Okay. When it comes to transactions, kaya pala ang dali rin makipag-transact sa PI network when it comes to PI payments. Even yung transaction fee napakababa kasi nga pala hango rin siya sa kung anong mechanism yung gamit ng Stellar Lumens XLM. So dito pa lang guys yung mga siguro yung mga nambabash or yung mga hindi naniniwala sa PI network. Kapag inintindi mo talaga to, lalo na to ngayon na nalaman ko to at nabasa ko to, natuwa ako kasi maganda pala. Yung foundation na binild talaga pala ng PI network in the past more than 3 years. Kung ganito yung setup nila, talagang strong yung footing nila and kung ganito rin lang, kung ano man yung nasa roadmap nila, naniniwala ako na kaya nila itong execute, okay? As long as magiging consistent sila, okay? So ayan, so nandito na tayo sa instead, POA allows for non-mining based blockchains which achieve a consensus through a very fast series of messages between participants to confirm transactions and finalize them on the ledger, okay? Learn more about how proof of agreement works by clicking the hyperlink here, okay? So, kaya ako pinili itong part ng article ng Stellar Lumens XLM na to kasi ito na yung parang pinaka-layman's term, yung madali i-explain or ipaliwanag kapag sinishare sa mga audience or viewers na different profiles or walks of life, okay? So, a single blockchain can be used for recording movement and holdings for many different digital assets. Okay, in addition to assets that can be transacted to the network, oftentimes the blockchain will have one or more native assets like Ethereum or ETH on the Ethereum blockchain, or Lumens XLM on the Stellar blockchain. Native assets may be used to pay for transactions or other functions of the network. On Stellar, Lumens are a source of network security used to pay a very small transaction cost, which discourages spam and other malicious activity, and of liquidity by serving as a bridge asset between exchange transactions on the network, okay? So dito sa part na to, very talagang naka-mirror or may resemblance siya sa current structure talaga ng PI network kasi nga dito nga hinango ng PI network kung paano magra-run yung foundation ng kanyang system or network, okay? Ayan, so itong part na to guys, itong how does the Stellar Consensus Protocol SCP work? Ang ganda dito ng example na to kasi nagbigay siya ng scenario. Okay, para madali ipaliwanag. So, ang sabi dito, the process of confirming transactions work a bit like this. Imagine you're a student assigned for an at-home math test to be accomplished in groups, okay? You're like a stellar node, okay? So, halimbawa, estudyante raw ako and may kailangan akong kumpletuhin na math exam. I-imagine natin yung sarili natin na isa tayong yung stellar node, okay? First, you'll decide which of your fellow students you want to work with and form a study group. So, halimbawa ako gusto kong, dahil nga meron tayong math, for example, exam na kailangan kumpletuhin at home, parang mas ma-execute ng tama, accurate, and then mabilis, pipili ako nung pinagkakatiwalaan kong other students sa group ko. Okay? So parang ganun yung sinasabi dito. Okay, now halimbawa yung grupo namin 4 kami and 3 out of 4 sa amin yung nag-agree to a certain answer, yun yung ifa-follow na sagot ng grupo na yun kasi yun yung pinag-agreehan namin. So sa ganung paraan nag-a-apply yung proof of agreement. Kaya nga siya POA, proof of agreement, okay? Okay, and then dito sa part na to guys, hindi pa yun doon nagtatapos nakalagay dyan, but that's just your own study group, okay? Kasi yung unang ginawa natin, isang quorum slice daw yun, okay, sa SCP or yung Stellar Consensus Protocol Proof of Agreement, okay? In order to get widespread agreement on the answers being correct across the class, okay, you'll need members of your group to have their own trusted fellow students outside the group agree as well, okay? So now you have overlapping quorum slices that agree and that achieves proof of agreement, and congratulations, the whole class gets an A on the test. Ayan. So ganito yung ano niya, yung diagram or visual representation, okay? So ibig sabihin, aside dun sa group namin na 4, ako including yung tatlo na yon, kada isa sa kanila dapat bubuo din sila ng sarili nilang grupo na magkakaroon ng consensus or agreement, okay, bago ma-send or ma-finalize yung answer. So halimbawa, yung 4 na mabubuong grupo doon, itong nasa diagram, nag-agree kaming lahat sa isang answer, yun na yung ipapasang transaction or agreement nung certain block na yon or transaction. So sa ganitong paraan, mas nagiging mabilis yung pagpaprocess ng Stellar Lumens XLM pagka ginagamit nila yung proof of agreement na mechanism, okay? Which is, yun rin yung ginagamit ngayon ng Pi Network sa kanilang system or mechanism. Kaya kapag ginagamit nga natin yung mga apps nila or yung mga features ng apps nila, specifically yung mining and then yung team roles nila, efficient siyang na-execute, and yung mga apps sa ecosystem niya mabilis naman na nagre-respond kapag ginagamit natin as users, okay? So, saan natin yan pwedeng i-check? So, yung mga information na yan, mapupull up nyo rin yan directly dito, nasusulat din sa Pi Network website, okay? Sa mine.pi.com. Pagka open nyo sa ano ninyo, sa Pi app ninyo, pwede nyo yan i-search. Every time na may post or article or blog dito sa Pi app, i-search nyo lang yung specific information regarding SCP. Ayan guys, so ito, kapag sinearch natin directly sa Pi website yung regarding the Stellar Consensus Protocol, makikita ninyo yung information or article about this, okay? So, click nyo lang yung anywhere between these three, yung Pi white paper, Pi node, and then itong unang-una, how can Pi be mined on mobile phones without energy consumption typically known in crypto mining. So dito natin makikita yung information about Stellar Consensus Protocol. Kagaya nung nakikita nyo dito. Ayan. So makikita nyo dito, Pi achieves this by using a different type of consensus algorithm in its blockchain rather than the widely known proof of work. Okay? POW ng Bitcoin. Okay? That consumes a lot of energy. Ayan. Pi's consensus algorithm adapted. Ayan guys Pi's consensus algorithm is adopted from the Stellar Consensus Protocol SCP, okay, and an algorithm called, meron pang may algorithm pa. So yung mechanism mo based sa reliable SCP ng Stellar Lumens XLM, Stellar Consensus Protocol proof of agreement mechanism, and then aside from that, meron pang algorithm called the Federated Byzantine Agreement, FBA, okay? Which do not require energy consumption to reach consensus in order to secure a ledger, okay? This type of consensus algorithm requires the nodes to form quorums. Ayan and exchange messages with each other based on a trust graph composed of individual quorum slices to come to a consensus, okay, or agreement, proof of agreement on what the next block should be. O, ayan. So yun yung transaction. Kitang-kita nyo guys, talagang naka-map, naka-patent dito sa base rin talaga siya sa Stellar Consensus Protocol. Kitang-kita nyo kung paano finiphrase nung Pi Network website, kung paano nila dinidescribe yung mechanism nila. Talagang dito pa lang may proof tayo na naka-mirror siya or base inspired patent sa kung ano man yung meron yung Stellar Consensus Protocol, okay, or SCP. Ayan guys, so kung nakaabot ka sa part ng video na to, disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. All the information on our website is published in good faith and for general information purposes only and not financial advice, okay? I encourage you to always do your own research whenever you engage in the volatile world of cryptocurrency. Okay? Maraming salamat.